in this video I want to show you how to factory reset a Bosch GLM50 27C. To do this, first if you've already connected your laser tool with the app, you will need to remove it. So let's start with that. You need to open the app, click on the three lines in the top right corner of the app, move to the Bluetooth tools, and here select disconnect on your laser measurement tool. So it should disconnect, and for the sake I'm gonna turn off the Bluetooth as well, and then move to our tool and also deactivate the Bluetooth by clicking on the Bluetooth key and then minus. Now we need to click on the gear icon in the bottom right corner of our tool, navigate to the three dots to enter more settings, and inside select factory reset, confirm it, and the reset should happen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.